How to download iOS 26 using mobile data on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the iOS 26 update using mobile data on your iPhone. If your iPhone won't download large updates over cellular, this setting will fix it. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Mobile Data or Cellular, depending on your region. If you're using a dual SIM iPhone, tap the cellular plan you use for mobile data. If you have a single SIM iPhone, tap Cellular Data Options. Next, tap Data Mode, then select Allow More Data on 5G. This allows your iPhone to download larger files, including iOS updates, over your mobile network. Now go back to the main settings screen and tap General, then Software Update. Your iPhone will check for the latest iOS update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. The update can now download using your mobile data connection. And that's it. That's how you can download the iOS 26 update using mobile data on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.